Micropension is another financial product helping to reach the excluded.
It has really impacted this journey positively, largely through the number of accounts that have been opened so far, and the confidence that we have been able to build in the informal economy in the country, and gives them some sense of belonging in the financial services, particularly in building a sustainable old age income.
Financial inclusion is also enhanced when customers have confidence in the financial system. The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation is tasked with protecting consumer deposits.
Looking at our activities within the space of promoting financial literacy within the financial system, which is a key barrier to financial inclusion, and also the issue of engendering trust of those financial products and services, NDIC has played a critical role in the success story that we have recorded so far in our journey on financial inclusion in Nigeria.
We think that we need to bring more people into the system, and also to ensure that we have financial ID infrastructure. So right now we have the BVN, which has been very successful. We have the NIN, National Identification Number, which has also been successful. And we're trying to look at how we can get more opportunities to include people in the financial system using those platforms.
Financial inclusion is also about enabling ordinary Nigerians to have access to investment products and services, regardless of the value and volume.
We are targeting them young, getting people from lower levels of education and having their curriculum, their learning curriculum, infused with capital market studies. Okay, we have sensitization workshops, we have investor clinics, and actually we have now revise our capital market master plan.
Accelerating financial inclusion requires a vibrant digital financial services and telecoms infrastructure.
I remember in the 2000s when all we had was about 400,000 connected lines. Then you will be talking about financial inclusion. Today we have over 212 million connected lines. That has created possibility for even the people in the villages. They have the basic voice connectivity that they require for them to access their finance.
Another new innovation in the digital domain is the eNaira, which promises to accelerate financial inclusion.
We're very, very proud to be the first central bank in Africa to launch a retail CBDC. And I think only the fourth in the world to launch a CBDC. It will help us bring more people into the financial system. It will help us offer cheaper services. And it will also help build trust, because trust is a key element when you look at blockchain-based instruments.
The next phase of financial inclusion implementation is set for between the year 2021 and 2024. With a set target of 95% Nigerians to have access to financial services by 2024, collaborative effort is required to achieve this. In a bid to enhance access to finance for adult Nigerians and leverage technology to promote inclusion, CBN is also poised to launch new strategies and products. These new strategies are: 1. The National Financial Inclusion Strategy, which will spearhead the country's progress towards achieving the financial inclusion target of 95%. 2. The National FinTech Strategy, which provides a coordinated approach to fintech and the digitalization of the economy. 3. The Strategy for Leveraging Agent Networks to drive women's financial inclusion, a strategy to optimize agent networks to increase women's financial inclusion. 4. The Nigeria Financial Services NFS Map, an online real-time geospatial database on financial services for regulators, government agencies, financial service providers, and the public. And 5. The Payment System Vision, PSV 2025.
I'm confident about the future. I believe the target is going to be achieved and also exceeded. I believe that the team has crafted so many products that will help them achieve that target. They're working with various players in the ecosystem. Yes, we've learned a lot of lessons in the last 10 years, but you know, those lessons have defined the approach and the plan for the future.
We're confident and we look forward to a future where we leverage all of what has been achieved, the technology, the policy, innovation, the collaboration with the private sector, you know, the data, to ensuring that 95% of Nigerians have access not just to financial services, but to a vibrant economy in which they can live independent, productive lives.
A lot of work still needs to be done, but I think with collaboration with various agencies, with the banks or with the mobile telecom companies or with the support of agents, we should be able to achieve this goal. And I believe that if we can achieve 95% financial inclusion by the end of 2024, we would have done a great job.
Financial inclusion remains a collaborative effort between financial inclusion regulators, enablers, providers, and development partners. It is a feat that can be achieved if all stakeholders work together to put the newly released policy documents to good use.